Hello and welcome to the second development video for Fatball for Android. This is a quick look at the basic AI that I've put together so far. When it starts up, what we can see here is an AI player running around, colliding into the ball. This is the very early stages. I've literally spent 2 days working on this, but I just wanted to show what I've done so far to get an idea of what Fatball will become. The idea is going to be I want some competitive AI so that you really get a challenge while playing the game, but I also want it to be scalable so there's very easy, stupid AI opponents as well as intelligent, difficult ones. Now basically AI uses the same core code that is used for the player that you control, so it doesn't have any edge over you. It's using the same code, it's just got an intelligence layer on top to control it. What you're seeing here is the very early stages. Uses the basic concept of staying behind the ball, so you'll notice that the guy, when he's behind the ball and facing his goal, his opposition goal which is on the left, he runs as fast as he can to hit the ball. When he ends up on the left side of the ball, he tries to negotiate his way to the right, and that's the same in real football and many other games like this. You need to be on the right side of the ball to defend and to take shots. So that's the basic code. There's the two main steps at the moment, and as you see, that at least make sure the ball spends most of its time up the right side of the pitch. The improvements required, obviously, he's going to have to learn to not smack the ball back to his side of the court, so he's going to have to run around the ball. He needs to learn to aim more precisely, and when he's taking shots, because at the moment he just runs at the ball rather than trying to get the angle right. And then there's going to be other things like he's going to have to run into the goal to defend when you're shooting at his side of the pitch. And he's going to have to learn to work in a team with other AI opponents. And then eventually negotiate obstacles as well when we have different arenas. But you can see the game is sort of vaguely playable at the moment. You can see the cursor shows me chasing after the ball with my player. This is obviously running through the emulator, so you're not seeing my finger. As you can see, it's quite chaotic, and that's what Fatball's all about. It's generally about people crashing into each other, desperately trying to get goals, overrunning the ball. There you go, I finally scored. But you can honestly be skillful in this game. It just takes a while to get used to it. And meanwhile, you can use lots of cheeky tactics like bashing the other player out the way, like I did there, and generally enjoying the chaos. But yeah, as you can see, it's starting to come together. I'll be doing another AI update in a bit to a couple of days, something like that, probably after the Easter bank holiday now, to show progress and to hopefully start having a more intelligent AI opponent. But for now, that's Fatball. More for me later on. Cheers.